You can't jump off. You have to sit down and jump.
Man, that shock is good.
It does shock you. Okay.
We're gonna run.
Wait, let me watch.
Dustin, you better watch this, okay? Okay. We're gonna jump up. Like backhoe? Like you did the other time.
Okay.
Like I did the other time? Yep.
Woo!
I did it again.
You did it again.
By myself?
All by yourself.
See, she does it here. Are you gonna tell Will Michael?
What are we going to tell little Michael?
I did good.
You did. I'm going to beat his tail if he keeps saying bad words.
I know, right?
What?
Man, that shot me good.
It did shock you. You know why?
Why?
Because the trampoline causes static when you rub on it.
Daddy,
What?
watch me so I can do this by myself.
Okay.
You go down to watch me do it?
Yep, Dawson's watching. Woo!
You know what?
What?
I made it?
You made it!
Oh, God.
Yay!
Good.
You did good.
Oh, my God.
Don't fall. You did it.
All by myself?
All by yourself.
Did Dawson do that then?
Yep.
Dawson, what did you do together? Okay.
Ready? Woo! You did it again.
Like a backhoe?
Like a backhoe.
I want to jump up like Dawson did.
I don't know if that's a good idea. You could try it.
Dawson, help me.
Are you going to jump?
Dawson, I want to watch you jump off.
I'm afraid you'll fall. You'll probably fall on the ground like I just did.
I know.
Are you going to jump?
I know, right?
What?
Can you help me?
I can't. I don't want you to do that.
You gotta absorb your shock.
Yeah, you might break a leg like that basketball player.
Hey, ow!
Did you see that guy?
What guy?
That guy break his leg, the basketball player. Arr. Arr. What?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.